So if you are facing problem regarding the purchase from different countries or regions and you want to block the purchase from different regions, then in this video I will show the step-by-step guide how you can do it very easily. So let's begin. So for this I am using the next order limit quantity application from the Shopify app store. You can easily download it from here. After installing the app, click on create validation, then create a cart validation, give a title, limit orders by region. Then add a new rule, add a condition. Here you can see there are three options: country, province or state, zip or postal code. So you can choose according to your needs. Here I am choosing the country. After selecting it, in the operator you can choose in the list or not in the list. I am selecting in the list. Then add the countries which you want. Like I am adding United States. Then add a action. Here in the action also you have two options: show error message on cart and checkout page and show error message on checkout page. So I am selecting show error message on checkout page. After that, type the default message which you want to show, like you cannot purchase from this country. After that, active the status and save this. Now people cannot purchase any product from the country US. So let's check it on the online store. Make sure to subscribe our channel for more valuable content. If I select any product and if I choose the country US, then you can see the error message. But if I select any other country like India, then you can see there is no error message. So in this way you can do it very easily. If you like the video, then don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe. And if you have any question, then please let me know in the comment section. And that's for all today. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.